Each piece is supposed to be put in a correct way and in a precise spot, or you won't be able to fit all rest of the parts inside the frame. So you put this horse right here, then this piece goes right in here, then there is a bingo part, you put it to the left, then there is a stack of $100 bills, you put it here. The next one will be this part with chips, then there are dice, and these two parts go on top of the dice. Next one will be this part, you put it right here on top, and there is a spot here, and this spot will be for this piece. Now we do something in this corner. You put this lottery part here, then there are two playing cards, they go right in here, then there is slot machine which goes right in here, then there is a poker table, you put it here, there are less and less parts left. The next one, this one, the casino sign, goes here, this 4-leaf clover goes here on top, and this goes next to it, then this piece goes here. There are only 5 parts left. This part goes here, these cards go here, the jackpot piece goes in here, and there is another one, the cherry piece goes here. We have only one heart-shaped piece left. It's supposed to go right in here, but it seems like there is not enough space for that, since if you put the cherry piece in a correct way, put this a little bit up, you will have plenty of space to put the last piece. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great packing puzzles from Creative Craft House, go to puzzlemaster.ca.